trying. I don't think I'm doing very good.
What's up, party people? Did you know that if you shake it, you can actually shake out tension and anxiety and stress? Therefore, we're going to do a short little belly dancing routine that a beginner can do. We want to start off by warming up. You want to do the belly dancer stance where you take your hips, pull them in, open up the chest, pretend the tailbones drop down to the ground like there's a pendulum on it. Shoulders are back. First, middle finger and thumb are together. We're gonna reach. The knees are soft. Reach, 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 reach. And then do a little wrist flourish. Bring the hand back behind the hips. We'll do some hip lifts. Lift, drop, lift, drop. Speed it up. Go with the music, if you can hear it. Point the toe, circle it around, switch sides. Lift, drop, engage that glute. Speed it up. Come back to center. Bring the hands by the sides. Move your hands with your hips. Right side first. Hip pop. Speed it up. Double. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now that we're all warmed up, bring the right arm up. Go to the side, a little more warming up. Right side again, and the left side. Perfect. Adjust your outfit. And we're going to start by doing some hand undulations. You can check out my video to find out how to do that. Pretend you're cupping an apple. Make sure the hips are still pulled in. We're just going to bring our hands up by our eyes and slowly pull our hands back. Good job. And now we're going to do the hip bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then doubles. Bring the arms up this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now let's put all that together. From the top. Hand undulations, pretend you're cupping an apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Moving on. For the next step, we're just going to bring our arms up, wrists together, middle finger and thumb together, and we're going to do some vertical figure eights. So take that right hip, bring it up, shoot it out to the side, bring it in. Left side now. 3, 4, 5. Make it as dramatic as you can. 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And then we'll do some snake arms. Bend your right leg. Right arm comes up. Shoulder, elbow, wrist. Shoulder, elbow, wrist. Bend that left leg. Arms out to the side. Thumb and middle finger together. Bring the left arm up. Shoulder, elbow, wrist. Have them in a nice straight line with your shoulders. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job. Now put all that together. Starting off, we're going to do the reveal. Hand undulations. And then bring the hands out to the sides. Single hip bumps. To the right first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now bring the arms up. Next, hands above the head. Figure eights. Right side first. 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoulder blades slide back. 6, 7, 8. Bend the right leg now. Arms out to the side. Snake arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now bend the left leg. Bent leg. 6, 7, 8. Next, we're going to bring our feet back to center. We're going to do a chest shimmy and a hip shimmy. And then we'll do a horizontal figure eight just to wrap things up. So to begin, come up against a wall and bump the right shoulder, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and then speed it up. And then for the hip shimmy, you just want to bend your knees, hips are pulled in. Good job. And now for the horizontal figure eight. Feet under the hips. Keep that chest lifted. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then bring the hands back. Flip the hair. From the top. Just bring your hands up like this, like you're cupping an apple. And to begin, smile, we're having fun. The big reveal. It's a lot easier with one. And then hip bumps. Start with the right side first. Use your hands. Right, left. 6, 7, 8. Doubles. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Vertical figure eights. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend your right leg, snake arms. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch sides with the leg, bent leg. 6, 7, 8. Now arms out, hips in, shoulders back, chest shimmy. Go up against a wall if you need to practice. And then do the hip shimmy. Just shake it all out. And now for the horizontal figure eight. Feet under the hips. Keep that chest lifted. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then bring the hands back. Flip the hair. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Check me out on Instagram and TikTok as well. And until next time, shake it till you make it, baby. May love and light be yours. Namaste. Was my top like that the whole time?